world, wine is always good. In this video, we are enjoying health, happiness, prosperity by celebrating food and wine at our table with friends. Here we are serving fish and seafood meal caught right out of the Ionian and Mediterranean Seas and discussing the joy and passions of life. This is part 3 of a 3-part series, where in part 1 and 2 we buy and cook the fish and seafood. This is typical Sicilian cuisine and Sicilian style conversation around the table. As foreigners, we live, learn, and participate in the local customs, foods, wines, and passions of Mount Etna, Sicily.
Ok, guarda un po'.
The new oil 2024.
2024. This one.
Pioppi e betulle.
Ah. So now we taste a little bit.
Oil.
Little bit in the fine.
Yes. Perché new.
What about here? No? Taste?
No.
No? Okay.
On the
No,
bread.
yeah, no, I want
On the
it.
bread.
In here?
No.
Okay. On the bread?
Yes. On the bread.
Man. Smell. You can smell.
Oh, I won't put my finger in to taste.
You can smell the olive.
Oh! My God, is that ever good?
As flavors unfold, memories created worth their weight in
Oh,
smiles
this
and
is
laughter
just...
fill the warm night.
We're listening to a new song about Harry and Mother Donna cooking in the kitchen. In the Harry's casino. This is my kitchen. What do you call it? Harry's
And Horatio and John are sitting at the
Yeah,
table.
Horatio and Joan are doing nothing.
You want some of this octopus with it?
Can we have, do you want some octopus now?
Together with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. Wow. Octopus and you, yeah. Go, are you going to serve yourself some, John? Okay, perfect.
Buono, okay?
Happiness in each bite they
More
take
bread.
inside. Stories told as flavors unfold.
Buono?
Memories created worth their weight in gold. Smiles and laughter fill the warm night. Everything feels just right.
Good, huh? Where's my wine, John? What did I do with it? Oh, here. Oh.
Very good.
You didn't freeze the octopus, right, Ari?
Did we what?
Did you freeze the octopus? No.
No.
No. Just fresh.
Taste of life.
Oh,
You can move over a bit.
perfect. Oh, man.
Okay, cheers. I'm in.
Alla salute.
Oh. Fresh oil today. Yesterday's oil.
That is so
Octopus just boiled. Nothing more. Little bit of olive oil on top. Did we do salt on it? Little salt? No. Big.
Poco sale.
Wow.
very, very tender.
Ah, amazing.
Una vignetta.
John,
Are you ready?
Horatio says he's ready for the pasta. This time we're going to serve him last because if we serve him first, he's finished eating by the time we get going. So.
Dobbiamo dirlo prima.
Camera.
Poi prima che non terminavo di sempre,
Ha
mi già sono
finito,
mangiato.
ha mangiato.
E mangio
That's
pagare.
good. Okay, Johnny, you want to hold the bowl?
Perfetto,
Mancava l'aglio.
perfetto.
Ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Quello era per un antipasto era perfetto.
Sì, 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 sì.
This one was
That
orazio.
one's for Orazio, yeah.
Okay, you're
Come
on.
on, you see?
You're on.
Gambe.
Hey,
On the top.
yes, put
Come ha
this-
detto lo chef
Yes.
Harry.
yes, put the shrimp on top, please.
Sì. Lo chef Harry ha detto the gamberi on the top.
Yes. Please,
Sì.
please.
George, metti un dritto d'olio.
Sì, ora ce lo metto, ma
You want some?
paretto ti metto.
Can I have a little bit of sauce?
More sauce?
Oil,
Hot, hot, hot.
please.
Yes, I have it. I'm coming. It's coming. Wait.
Nuovo olio questo qua.
Sì, no.
Do you want?
Yes, please. Perfect.
Olio nuovo.
You can't make this shit up. This is so good. Unbelievable.
Olio nuovo. New oil.
New oil. Rachel, you want some hot sauce? Yes.
Proprio tu.
This is hot, little hot sauce. It's mild actually, but it's very good. Orazio, you want me to put it on top or no?
On top.
How about it?
Okay.
More?
No.
Tu le mangi, vero?
Lo succhio.
Si riesce a succhiare?
Wow.
Okay.
This is amazing. How do you like the shrimp heads in there? Isn't that fantastic, Anna? I mean, I love it. You're okay. Shrimp. Ah, okay. The shrimp head, like this.
I love these small cooked shrimps.
Guardi.
They go down on his head. Oh my God. Perfecto.
That's for that spicy pepper is perfect.
Perfect. And Joan? Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
This is fantastic. I
Wine
love
is always good.
Oh.
Chin chin. Wine is always
And
good.
guess what? I put last night when I made the shrimp.
Yeah.
Last night when I made it, I put a little zambuca in it. Oh. Today, I peel the shrimp. I give Loredana a taste, and what does she do?
She tastes
First
it right
thing she
away.
says, zambuca. I said,
Is it good or
no,
not
she
good?
said it was good.
It was good.
But this dish, with the heads like this, was your idea, Alexia. I don't know if you've ever had it like this before, but I love this dish. No? Well done? Perfect, no? Oh, and I have to have a sip of wine. Good. Alexia?
You're on.
Look.
You're on.
Ladonna, can you give Horacio some fish, please?
Mamma
The red
mia.
mullet?
Yes.
One or
Mom,
two?
mom.
You have to Rosario clean the fish.
Yes.
You have to tell them to take off the scale also.
The scales?
The outside scale, yeah.
Oh, he didn't.
Very good.
Oh,
My friend.
the good thing Loredana came down.
Yes. Came on.
Loredana and Harry Trattoria,
Yeah.
the simple cuisine, Sicilian cuisine.
Okay.
Simple.
Simple.
Only.
Only.
You say Trattoria? Not
Trattoria.
Trattoria.
Tortilla? No.
Trattoria.
No.
No,
Trattoria
trattoria.
means what?
Familiari.
Oh,
Family.
Ristorante
no.
Formal.
formal, brava. Trattoria family.
Family.
Family style.
Okay.
Family style.
You know
The fish that the Ionian Sea produces. Amazing.
I think the best in the world.
It is so fresh because the water is cool. and
Moves,
moves. Yeah.
Yeah, moves.
It's not stagnant.
No.
No.
I mean,
I would say.
the fish and the seafood in Thailand, in Koh Samui, is good and cheap, but not
Non è come
this taste. It is amazing.
Yeah, this is.
This
Questo è
taste
più
is,
saporito.
this is a different taste altogether. Or higher level. Yeah.
Mediterranean,
Yeah.
Ionian, Sicilian
Yeah.
is the top. Is
Very good.
The level is the best in the world.
Yeah.
Dubai is the best.
I think I have some too because I.
Sure, have some Joan.
The first,
Yes, bring some for Razio.
the first friend.
Number one.
Mamma mia, razzo quanto.
Io non pranzo così, ci vuole.
What's the name of this brandy?
Vecchia Romagna.
Vecchia Romagna,
From where?
etichetta nera. Vecchia Romagna,
Where's
black label.
Where's it from?
Ita-
Yeah,
Italian.
Sicilian or Italian?
No,
No.
Italian.
Italian.
Romagna,
Siamo-
Romagna.
Oh, from
Emilia Romagna.
Ah.
Però l'odore non è quello del Cardinale Mendoza o
Ah.
del Carlo Spinelli.
And just
Are you
Cheers.
gonna film?
that
Yes.
You should.
Yes,
film
it's-
to
it.
make this,
What?
the alcohol was coming from Sicily. Lo mandavo dalla Sicilia.
Sì,
So,
Marco?
Razio. Look. Perfetto, no?
Che cosa?
Sì, è l'etichetta
È
nera.
black label.
Yeah, that's it.
Italian
You have two
cognac.
kinds.
O
Yes,
The
brandy,
red
brandy.
label and the black label. The black label is better.
Brandy italiano.
You know, I knew that I would be sharing.
Cheers, John.
Cheers.
I knew I'd be sharing it with.
Attention.
I knew I'd be sharing it with you, Razio, and you would not drink the other crap. You only drink black, no?
Only.
Maya is trying to knock this out of my hand.
Oggi tanta
Trying
antipatico.
to knock the brandy out of my hand.
Wow.
Sì, tutta bagnata.
First we
nice.
had the coffee, a little shot of espresso with Zambuca. And
Also,
now, brandy?
also correction with the vecchia romagna.
Oh, this would be good with, but
Should we
But-
use this for the?
I like this
I like this
it's
straight,
straight.
clean and straight.
Clean, yes,
Yeah.
and this is called, in English terms, it's called neat. Nothing. No ice, no nothing. Neat.
Nothing in it, no ice,
Guarda,
no
dopo un
mix.
pranzo così, we'll go for a nap, I don't know if I'll get up.
Cioè,
Don't
che
get
cosa?
up.
Che cosa?
Dico, se andiamo per a riposarci, non lo so se mi
Just
alzo.
stay
Ah,
in
sì!
Stay
If
in
you go
bed.
for a nap now,
Stay in bed.
you're not gonna get up?
Don't
Maybe not.
Oh, it's okay.
No,
Who cares?
just stay watching movies, drinking tea. Make some
Oh.
tea.
This is the life.
Uh,
I love my life.
Watch Netflix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Something like this, I love it.
Oh, me too.
yeah.
What do you
Us
want?
too.
Good
Us
lunch,
too.
good friends, good wives. What do you want
Yeah,
now?
I know.
The only thing we're missing is the sun.
That's
Sunshine.
true. That's
Yeah.
true.
But you
But
know
then
what?
we don't care.
We don't care.
We don't.
Why do we
like-
care?
I love the rain. It makes everything green,
I love rain too, yes.
and it makes us stay in bed.
A giorno ci piace quando piove.
You don't have if it
Anche a me
rains.
piace.
You don't have to get
You
up.
like when it rains, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do,
I
yeah.
love the sun, but I love when it rains because then you can crawl in under the covers into bed
È vero,
And read.
è vero,
And
è
read.
vero, è
and
vero.
Wow.
just enjoy life.
Va via però la malinconia quando si
That's
vede.
what
Harry
I
and
wish
Joan,
for you.
before you
Yeah,
leave in December, before you leave for Costa Curta over there,
Costa Mui.
Cosa vuoi?
Costa Mui.
Dai,
Samui.
pay a visit to Giovanni for a checkup.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay,
Quando
Do
tornano.
the blood analysis, both of you,
Yes.
so that everything is good.
yes.
Yes, I want to take the
E anche
blood.
fate anche un controllo al cuore
Make sure
alla
everything
loro
is-
età.
Faccio radiogramma.
Yes.
Sì, quando
So
viene
we'll-
Giuseppe gli facciamo
Yeah,
fare
we'll do a
una-
checkup.
Yeah,
No problem.
we'll check. Yeah, we'll check.
Maybe Joan will want to have a checkup by that nice Italian doctor you just did over here. That
The dermatologist.
she probably wants a checkup. Bellissimo. Handsome
Very nice,
Italian
very nice
doctor.
young guy.
come Giuseppe con Lara. Quando Lara gli ha detto, dice, ma com'è il mio cuore? Dice, il tuo cuore è bello come l'involucro che lo contiene.
What was that?
Lara went to Giuseppe, the cardiologist,
Oh yes,
to check for the
heart.
and Lara asked Giuseppe, the doctor, said, how's my heart? And Giuseppe said, your heart is beautiful like the
Contenitore.
container that holds it, the body.
Oh, good way to say it.
Good,
Nice.
Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah.
Very
The
good.
Cioè, è
container.
bello come il contenitore, come...
I hope my heart is better than my container. Joan's heart as good
As
as
a
the
container.
container, right?
No, e neanche il mio.
No.